In front of me is DOOGEE Note 56 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off autocorrection. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling all the way down to tap on this section, which is System. Now tap on Keyboard, on-screen keyboard, and Gboard on the left. Following that, choose the text correction section, and when you're ready, use this switcher next to autocorrection to turn it off or switch it on. If you decided you do want to use it, I always recommend to try this option as well, called Undo Autocorrect on Backspace. You can activate it or switch it off thanks to this switcher right next to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!